Watch to the end to learn how to make this healthy fried rice. Welcome back. Today we are making a quick and balanced dinner. Healthy fried rice loaded with vegetables and flavor. Here is what you will need for the rice. 4 cups. This is what I'm going to be using to measure. So I'll measure 4 cups from this rice. And I'm going to be using chicken. So this chicken is already washed. So I'm going to go ahead now, season it, and then place it on fire to cook. So I'll just add my sliced onions. So I'm going to be using this seasoning. This is adobo seasoning powder, and I have curry here. I have no cubes here, and of course so the seasoning, the amount of seasoning you add depends on the quantity of rice you are cooking. And then I'm going to add water. You're going to be using the stock, so your water can be plenty. I'm going to put this now on the cooker to cook until the chicken is soft. Use of this cabbage, I'm going to wash it and slice it. I'll be using carrots. I'm going to dice it square. I'm going to also use this green pepper. I'll remove the seed inside, wash it and cut it to smaller pieces. This is green beans. I'm going to wash it and dice it to smaller pieces. And then this is spring onions. I'm going to wash it and also cut it to smaller pieces. So I'll let you see what it looks like when I am done. I'm going to be doing that off camera. So we'll go right now to place to cook the chicken. Please, if you are enjoying this video to this point, like, comment, share and subscribe. Help the channel grow. So the chicken is ready. I've removed it from the stock. This is the stock we're going to be using for the rice. So we're going to go ahead and fry the chicken. So allow the oil to be hot before we put in the. We are going to be using a part of this oil to stir fry the veggies. This is the rice all washed. We are going to be cooking the rice next. But before then, I'll just show you the sliced veggies. So here we have carrots, green beans, spring onions, green pepper, and then we have cabbage, all sliced. So next now, let's cook the rice. I'm going to be using. And then I'm going to pour in the stock, the chicken stock. Now, if the stock you have on the pot, if the quantity or the volume you have will be enough to cook the rice, then you don't need to add extra water. But if it will not be enough, then just add hot water to it, enough that can cook the rice. So I'm going to be adding hot water. Okay, and next I'll just add some seasoning cubes. This is because of the quantity of rice I'm cooking. After this, I will not be adding so much again. I already know the quantity that I can cook my rice. So I'll allow this to boil before I'll add the rice. So it's already boiling. I'm going to add the rice and then I'll reduce it to a lower flame. So depending on the type of rice you are using, it may take up to 40 minutes. So I'll reduce the flame. So I'm changing to this. So I'm going to cook this on this low heat until the water is dry and the rice is cooked. So this is it, it's almost dry. You see how water in it. So I like to try. We add the spring onions first. Next we add the green pepper. Next the green beans. And then allow it to fry for like, let's say 30 seconds. At this point, I'll introduce the remaining curry and seasoning. Next, we introduce the carrots. Next is cabbage. Just one cube, just for the veggies. So we allow this to stir fry for like 30 seconds. Next, we are going to add it to the rice. And there you have it, balanced, colorful fried rice, a perfect dinner that gives you energy, protein and fiber all in one plate. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with someone who loves healthy food. See you in the next video.